Chapter 19. Building Materials and Tools. Building construction is a process of adding a structure to the land. It requires proper planning. Selection of the right building material is a crucial aspect of planning. Constructing anything involves money, manpower, materials and tools. How are bricks made? Bricks are the basic building components used for construction. They are long-lasting, cheap and easy to use. Bricks are made of clay, a type of soil comprising tiny rock particles. Huge ovens in which bricks are baked are called kilns. The basic steps involved in brickmaking are as follows. Step 1. Clay is removed from the ground by hand or by machines like power shovels. This is called winning. Step 2. Lumps of clay are ground into a fine. It is then mixed with the correct quantity of water and kneaded with hands and legs to get soft dough. Step 3. This dough is then put into brick molds. Step 4. Excess clay is removed to get even-sized bricks. These are then neatly piled in lines in the field to dry in the sun. Step 5. After about 2 weeks, when they are set, the bricks are taken out from molds, put in brick kilns, and baked for about 36 hours at a temperature of 600 degrees Celsius to 1100 degrees Celsius. Gas, oil or powered coal is used to supply heat in the kilns. This process is called firing. Due to slow heating in the kiln, the bricks do not develop cracks. Step 6. The bricks once ready are kept in the holding area till they cool down. People and skills involved in the construction activity. A number of people and their skills are required in the construction of a house. Each one of them has special tools for his work. Houses are designed by architects. The design shows where each room should be. An architect uses a drawing board, pencil, compass and scale to make a plan. This plan is called a blueprint. The town planners approve the blueprint. The engineer ensures that the building is constructed according to the plan. Contractors are employed by the engineers. The contractors arrange for laborers and the required building material. Construction starts by laying the foundation. For making the foundation, the earth is dug and filled with stones and cement. A mason, with the help of laborers, lays the foundation of the house. Then they make columns around the steel bars. Once the columns are ready, the walls are constructed in between the columns. These walls are plastered from outside. They also make the roof and the floor. The laborers carry cement and bricks on their heads and bring it to the mason for him to work. Once ready, walls and roof are sprayed with water every day. It makes them strong and prevents cracks. Once the structure of the house is ready, the carpenter makes doors, windows, shelves, cupboards and furniture. He has helpers to hold the plywood and wooden pieces while working. Welders join steel or iron grills and frames of doors and windows. Welders use welding machines and goggles. As the building is about to be completed, the electrician fixes electrical wires, plugs and switches for electrical appliances like lights and fans. He has to arrange the electrical mains and electrical points and safely lay wires in the building. A plumber fixes pipes, taps and other sanitary fittings in the kitchen, toilet and bathroom. He puts water pipes and water tanks in position and ensures that water is accessible through all the taps. Finally, the painter paints the whole building, including the doors, windows and gates, after all the work is over. The construction of anything is a long-drawn process and involves planning, money and time. The safety of the construction and building is more important than all other aspects. Bridges. The earliest bridges were fallen trees across streams and rivers. These were used by early man to pass from one side to the other in search of food and shelter. The next stage of bridge making involved long slabs of stone placed over large rocks or piles of stones. Gradually, new materials and advanced techniques were used to make longer and stronger bridges. The greatest advance in bridge building came with the invention of steel. Steel is a light and strong material. Bridges are structures built over roads and waterways. They help people and vehicles to cross from one side of the river to the other. In big cities, flyovers are made to solve the problem of traffic jams. Constructing bridges requires a lot of planning, big equipments, and a large amount of time and money. Bridges may be temporary or permanent. Temporary bridges can be taken apart after use, while permanent ones cannot. Types of bridges. Beam bridge. A beam bridge is made of flat pieces of concrete or metal and is held at the end by supports called piers. Drawbridge. This bridge has a roadway that can be moved to give enough space for the large ships to sail through. It is built on busy waterways. Suspension bridge. These bridges are suspended with the help of cables and ropes attached to huge towers of concrete and steel. Cantilever bridge. This bridge is made of steel or concrete. It consists of two beams called cantilevers. The famous Howrah Bridge in Kolkata, built over the Hooghly River, is a cantilever bridge. Pontoon bridge. This bridge is made upon many boats that are tied together. These can be rubber boats or single wooden boats. Arch bridge. An arch bridge is made of steel, concrete and bricks. It has a semicircular structure and many arches supporting its weight. These arches have sometimes shops and markets in them. Word bank. Shovels, tools with long handles and broad blades with curved edges, used for moving earth, snow, sand, etc. Molds, containers into which liquid or soft substance are poured, which then becomes solid in the same shape as the molds. Foundation, a layer of bricks, concrete, etc. that forms the solid underground base of a building. In a nutshell, bricks are common, cheap and very useful building material made of baked clay. A variety of tools and machines are used in construction sites. There are different types of bridges with different features. To make a house or building, we require many things like bricks, sand, gravel, iron and steel and cement. A number of skilled and unskilled workers work to build a house.